One of the ways that I work smarter, not harder, is by batching all of my content creation. And when it comes to creating things like sliders and quote posts on LinkedIn, that means creating templates on Canva. When I first decided to add sliders to my LinkedIn content mix, I did go up to Canva and create a few different templates that would allow me to quickly create finished content in a matter of minutes. You can see here on my Canva account, I have 3 different slider, or some people call them carousel templates that I'm going to show you. I also have one that I've created for quotes. If you want to create a slider on Canva, simply go up to Create a Design and then click on Instagram Post. Once you get on that page, do a search for carousel Instagram posts. I think that's why a lot of people do call them carousels on LinkedIn, although they are more appropriately known as sliders. When it comes to my templates, I have a few different ones, as I mentioned. This one is my long slider. It has a spot to have titles and also some text on each slide. And this is long, it's 12 pages, so it's for something that I want to get into in detail. Then I also have a shorter version. This one is all large text. It's for creating a slider quickly. If I don't want to share detailed information, you can see on these that I have my Bitmoji that I'm using in different ways. The third slider that I have is just really a different format. The design is a little bit different, but as you can see with all of them, I have modified them using my brand colors so they will be identified with me. So again, this is just a little bit different to break up the monotony. Another thing that I did recently, a lot of people share quotes on LinkedIn, quotes like, "Be the change you wish to see in the world," attributed to Gandhi, and other quotes. Well, I learned in a training that I did an idea of using my own quotes. So that's what I do now. I use my own quotes certain days of the week, and I created this template for that. As you can see, as with the others, I use different Bitmojis to sort of, break them up. But having these templates really does save me a lot of time. So I would recommend, if you are wanting to save time, to go on to Canva and create a few different templates for the content that you most like to create.